guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Roblox and we're playing Bloxburg. I know, on this week I've been only concentrating on just work. Well, yeah. But today I think it's going to be the last Bloxburg video for this week. Now I have a weekend for a week, so I videos. Maybe every single day, let's say, maybe Sunday and Tuesday, yeah, whatever. I think Sunday and Saturday I won't really be able to do all of this because my mom has work, but whatever. Today we are going to be because the last one had a video, it just kept glitching, it keep disappearing and appearing, so I just deleted it and now I'm going to be making a new one. By the way, this is part 1 because, yeah, you just know. I have $14,607 to build me a house. Now I'll be doing the layer and the floor for this video. And then in the next episode, I will be doing the roof and the curtain. Now I just want a cute little 1-floor house and then I will be, so let's see. I want to build a breed, let's see. So from there, let me find it. Okay, so that's the middle. So I'm going to start right here. I want to make it big. Let me do something. Something that I can start so I can see them. I think I clicked on. Let's get a fence, like the small little fence. I don't want to make it too large, so let me find a middle of it. Is it too tiny? I think it's fine like that, right? No, I think that's too small. I kind of want to make a up here and then kind of like a cute little garden. But I don't want because I do want as well. So let's see. So I kind of want to look, but I don't know. Maybe a fit down here because I can make a patio here, then the garden on this side, and then I don't know. I think I'll make it. This is so hot. These stars. I'm taking already 2 minutes off my video. I'm going to leave more space, right here. Yeah. Alright. Okay. So I kind of want to make it kind of large. I'm not going to lie. More a tiny bit, like that, right? Okay. And now we're going to start from here. Now this is what depends on how large I want to be. That would be enough. And a chill zone somewhere in this house. Now I think it's too large now. But they know what I say. Never too large. I know let's do it. Yeah, put them together. I need to stop complaining. I think it's definitely fun. I'm going to be doing a garage if I do. Oh, oops. Yeah, of course. Like a very tiny little garage. Yes, perfect indeed. And now we're going to be delete $6 more back. Oh, okay, then just okay. Next is going to actually I'm going to roof right now because the roof is the most hard one to do. So I think I'm going to go. I have no clue how to do it. No. I forgot my Bloxburg thingy, how to do it and stuff. And we changed things a lot lately, so it's really annoying now. Yes. Okay, how? I can't. Oh! That's too much. Oh, I needed to. I don't know how long this is. Yeah. Hip roof. Even the hip roof doesn't work? Oh, come on now. I'm going to make this. Yo, we can make it float just like that. How about we do an automatic thing? The hip roof, god damn it. You know how annoying this is? You guys comment down below if you know. Ugh! Ew. I think this roof will just work, I guess. Okay, well, let's just get the door. And sliding door. Which is the most expensive, huh? What? Yes, I will. No. Yes, I will need a couch door indeed. Cha-cha. I'll just use this one, I guess. Can't do anything about it, okay? And I will be doing. Ooh, this is a nice door. But I don't want to spend my money, okay? Okay, I'm a little quite crazy. Should I just go for this one? Oh yeah, I'm definitely going for this one. Oscar rocket. So, okay, now I think we need to do something about this thing because it's very bad. But challenge once again because we messed it up last time. So let's do like bigger, cuter. Okay. This a door. Doors, where are you? I can't find you. I can. Oh, there you go. Go. Nice. I'm so sorry, guys. My was very rude indeed. Very rude. Yes, very rude. Very rude. Okay, now these, of course, I'm making them white. Simple white. Okay. How Pacific. Guys, sorry for the clicking of my very annoying. Yes, I know. And plus, if you don't know why I'm doing a voice video, it's my L and O keyboard letter does not work in my thing. Like, comment down below if you know how to fix it, because I really need your guys' help to fix it so that I can make. Because still we haven't reached 20 likes on my voice video. So yeah, that's basically all. That's all about. You get it? Ha, so freaking funny. Yeah, nothing's funny here. And just breaking my keyboard, maybe because I smashed it. I don't know. And she freaking blocked me on Discord. My sister, Lydia. You know her. She gets mad at any point. Gets mad at me if I play. It just really frustrates me sometimes. But she just says that I'm rude. I know why. Rude being just because like someone else and I. Sorry guys, my microphone stopped working once again. The last thing I'm going to for this first video. So yeah, I think I'm going to be doing. Sorry for Let's do a black like this. Yes, indeed. Maybe do like this one. Yeah, no. And then look at me. Touched. Alright, I think that would do. And just like, what's that? Oh, silly is out. Should I do a black? Yeah, again? No. Not a pink either. Yeah, I think it's just. Oh wait, we forgot something. We just forgot something. So guys, my microphone says it's not working and it frustrates me so freaking bad. But don't worry guys, you're not frustrating me. The Screencast-O-Matic is frustrating me a lot. See? Yeah. It is really frustrating me. Okay. Just one more here. And look. Now let's color it. Hello, okay. Did you guys know who's my new BS? Comment down below if you... Concentrate. So I'm not talking. Oh no, we need to fix that. Nope. Fix. You better get fixed now. There we go. I got all for today. Comment down below if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it some, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.